Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can boost your YouTube channel for more subscribers, more view, more comment, more like, especially all over the world, even on the country you can choose. So first of all, you can download this app. I will show you the name of this app at the end of video. Watch the video and then at the end we will see this type of application you can use to boost your YouTube account. So as I open this account, you can see the view, subs, can see likes, can see the comment, and even the top. The top, this is the channel which is in the top according to the buys, SSVIP, SVIP, VIP, can see those. So let us begin by view. First of all, after downloading application, sign in with your Google account. You can you can do this view, sub, likes, comment, and the another. So first of all, after creating account, so you can see your account is here. So message, my videos, my channel, and the another one. So let us see, go to my videos. When you come to your videos, you can see this fresh here. You can see here this plus, you can click here. When you click this plus, you can see where you can post the link, your video link. You can paste your video link here. You can paste here, then the name of video will be displayed here. So then you can, after that, click this. So after do that, you can see your video here. After seeing your video in this screen, you can click these three buttons. So after clicking here in this 3 point, you can see exchange review, exchange likes, exchange comment, and edit. So let us click the exchange review. When you click the exchange review, you can see the name of your video. You can change the name according to what you want. So let us see exchange settings. This exchange settings can see the number of views, cost per views, time required in second. So here you can see number of views, what according to what you want. Can see cost per views. One views can get 15 coin, even if $15. So in order to get these $15, you must watch this video in 240 seconds. This means what? It is a 4 minute. 4 minutes. When you see this video, watch this video in the time of 4 minutes, you will get $15. So this video is available in all countries. You can choose the country you want to see, even to watch your videos. If you don't choose the country, it is available in all countries. Then after that, after setting that, you can click this V in order to allow this video to watch it. So this it is the part one, which is the views. Let us go to the part two, which is subs, even subscribers. Those are the channel which is needed for subscription. Canceling, you can set the subscription according to the dollars you have. This, when you subscribe to this channel, you can get $21. This can get 50, it's not $5, according to the power of this channel. So let us try to subscribe even one channel, even two channel, to show you how the subscribe is. First of all, this I have, as you see here, I have 2,120 dollars. As you see, I have this dollars. Let us subscribe even at many channel. You will see that these dollars will be increased. So let us take the channel and make subscription. Okay, like now this channel isn't not available. Okay, it costs $118 per subscription. So you can subscribe, then get those dollars when you subscribe the channel. Yes, as you see, I get the coin. I get those coins. Even those people subscribe this channel can get this coin. Let us show you my home screen. You can see that my coin is increased. Okay, let us continue with another channel. Let us subscribe this channel even and get the $20. Those dollars, this channel I have already subscribed. Let's check another one. Let's check this. If when I subscribe this, I will get $1, which I will be used for to improve my channel by subscription, by videos, by like, by comment, and another. This I gain $1. Thank you. Let us subscribe another one. Let us subscribe another one. Let's subscribe this then and get $21. This exchange expired. Can we find another one? Let us this. See, exchange expired. Let us check this. Let us check this channel. Subscribe my account in order to get more video and increase more knowledge. Why I'm dropping this channel? I am dropping this channel because I have already subscribed, as I know. So in order to waste the time, I can jump it. Subscribe my channel for more videos, for another knowledge. Can see how to make a stream, how to control your computer using phone, how to design your website, how you would see many things. This is not available in my country. Isn't available in my country. Can use this app to boost your channel. In order to boost your channel, your YouTube channel, your YouTube channel. Yes, thank you. Let us make subscription. Even here, this is not available in my country. Let us also see if this is available in my country. Make then get Santi coins, even Santi dollars. Yes, successful. So this is an example of how to subscribe. So I'm going to show you how to sell even. Okay, so we are in the sub. Let's jump to the likes. This is the like. When we jump to the likes, you can see the channel. This is $2 for like, $2 for like, $3 for like. There are many for like $4, $9, $10. Yes, let's choose here for $10 for any like. So you will click here, then you will click to the like, click to the like icon. After liking this video, you will receive $10, even 10 coin in your account. That coin will use to promote your channel by subscriber, like, comment. Yes, as you see, the coin is added. I'm like that video, this video. So you can also like another in order to increase your dollars. You can set the yes, let's these dollars by liking. Huh. It is so many. They are. It is much money, I can like, but I cannot jump without getting this coin. Those coin are too many. Yes, I get it. Thank you. Let us find another one which is available. Let us take another Bitcoin. Hey, it is not available in my country. Isn't available in even this is too many. Let us get it. I will use to promote my channel. I will use it to promote my channel. Yes, you are received it. Thank you. Let's continue. Yes, even you can get more coin and you can promote your channel by using this coin, using those coin. Okay, let us jump to the comment. This is the comment. You can, when you comment to this video, you can get 3s. This video you can get 8s. This you can get 10s dollars, $10 even as we continue. Those are set by channel owner. Let us comment this channel. For example, you can click here. It's not available in my country. I cannot comment on these videos. Let us comment if it is available. I don't know. No, it isn't available. If you comment on this video, you can get those dollars. It isn't available. So let's find another one. This comment is cost Santi coins. Let's comment. On this video. Okay, this is my comment. Let's post it. post it. Yeah, subscribe my channel for more videos. Make subscribe at the bottom of the video. Click subscribe. Click subscribe for many more videos. More videos. So let's comment. This video is comment. After comment, can click OK. Comments before added, you get Santi coin. Thank you. You see how to comment on videos. So after that, I'm going to show you how you can promote your channel here by using those coins you have earned. You can come to your channel. As you reach to your channel, you can see the point here. You can click this point, this plus. You can paste your channel link here. Your channel link here. The title of channel will be displayed here. Then after that, you click this place, this V. Then your channel will be displayed like this, After your channel is displayed like that, click these 3 points. After clicking, you can see exchange. You can see exchange, edit or delete channel. So let's click to the exchange. When you reach here to the exchange, you can see the channel. You can change the name here. This name is not change of is not your channel directly. Is the name of here. In this application, can use sub and enjoy. Subscribe, subscribe, subs and sub. Not allowed. You can see when you come here to the set, is okay, and sub not allowed, and sub not allowed. So after that, can come here to the setting. This display and another display. First one, number of sub. Number of sub is one number. Cost per sub. One sub will cost per sub $26. Let's change to $30. Available in which country or countries can subscribe my channel. If anyone click, even subscribe my channel, he or she will receive $30 coins or $30. Then after setting that, you can click here. You can allow. Yes, you can click here. This channel is available. On the number of this is also available here in this channel. In those channel, even my channel is available here. When someone subscribe my channel, I will be discounted dollars from here. Then my channel subscribers will be increased. Can use can use this application to promote your YouTube channel by subscribers, by like, comment, video view. Let's show you how to view. If you set the video, you see this video in $70. When we watch this video in 300 seconds, we will receive 9 coin according to the video setting. Subscribe my channel, share, comment. In the comment, I will give you the link where you will get this application. I will give you the link where you will get this application and use it to promote your channel. To promote your channel. Promote your channel according to what you wish. You can send me a message to those emails. You can send me a message here. rugajdavid@gmail.com. I will send you the link. Even you can comment the bottom of my video. You will subscribe for video for more. So you can buy coin. Something I'm going to tell you. Even you can, if you don't have time to subscribe any channel in order to get coin, you can buy your coin and use it to promote your account. This coin costs $4.25. Can buy it. So and another coin you can buy it. So thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe my channel in order to enjoy more videos which talking to different things which help you to develop your mind, to develop, even to get much money, how to make money online and everything. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share, comment. I will reply to you. Thank you.